This is an exercise from the Postural Restoration Institute that really works on teaching the deep abdominal muscles how to help support us a little bit better. A lot of times people with back pain tend to hang out kind of in a little bit of this arch position here in an attempt to support them. This puts a ton of pressure though through the spine itself. So this exercise is to teach the abdominal muscles that connect to the pelvis and to the rib cage on how to put us into more of a neutral spine position. So you're going to start on all fours, and what we're going to do is we're really going to accentuate, instead of this action, we're going to go the opposite way. So in this position here, you're going to round your back by trying to curl your hips underneath you as much as possible. Another way to think about it is you want to think about using these abdominal muscles to curl your hips and your rib cage as close together as possible. You should feel the abdominals on the sides here, not just in the middle, contracting to get you there. So you're going to roll hips underneath you, and then you're also going to roll your back. So it's almost, if you've ever done yoga, it's almost like that cat position. In this position here, then keeping your weight forward in front of your pointer fingers, so nose is in front of pointer fingers, you're then going to lift one arm up. So we're going to stay in this position here, one hand comes up off the ground. And then of course we're going to start utilizing some breath. So we're going to breathe in, really trying to expand through the entirety of the diaphragm. I'm trying to push my back even closer to the wall. So we're going to breathe in, and then breathe out, continuing to use those abdominal muscles to curl just a little bit more. Breathe in and out. In and out. You'll notice as I'm doing this, I'm starting to slowly cheat and come on back. Remind yourself and check in. Make sure that your your nose is staying right in front of your hands. You'll know, because it's a lot harder work to keep you here with your abdominals. Your lower abdominals have to work harder than when we start to do this action. So from the front, we're rounded here. One arm comes up and we're just breathing in and then out, and curling as much as possible. You should feel your abdominals working pretty darn hard in this position to pull you here. That is in service of teaching you how to use the abdominals to keep our spine neutral instead of just stacking our bone over bone and oftentimes causing a little bit more pressure through the spine. Give it a try.